Hello guys, welcome to the Diversity Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys how to type with your voice on Microsoft or on your Windows, on your browsers, wherever you are, on your laptop that you want to type. This is the fastest way to do that without wasting time to type. All you need to do is to speak to your laptop and it will answer yes. Is not Cortana. This is just an inbuilt system that you have on your Windows. So all you need to do is to press Window plus H, and it's going to bring this for detection. It will load a little bit, and as soon as it's ready, you see a button, yeah, like this, and we can click it. So say okay, fine. Welcome to YouTube. Today we'll be teaching you how to make a voice note without typing. La 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 la, blah 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 blah. So you can see how this system is actually writing everything I say. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you find value out of this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.